Giuliani, Koin project creator and Kotzilla co-founder. Today I would like to talk about the new release of Koin 4.1. I will try to give you an overview of the new features. New videos will come after this one to deep dive into all those features. Let's talk about the new core internals update and with a bunch of new stuff that is coming for Koin. One of them is the optimization and work on the engine, the internal engine, to make extension for optimized resolution engine. We have a bunch of new capacity to extend Koin in the start Koin configuration part. You see that you can have an includes. This can allow you to reuse configuration across multiple targets and then adapt your configuration on some native side. And on the other side, we have what we call options activation. It's kind of feature flags that allow us to activate Koin features. Let's talk about scope development with Koin and how it has been simplified in 4.1. We introduce new scope archetypes that are generic type for you to develop scope. Then you have activity, fragment, view model scopes. Those are generic scope type for you to declare what you want in terms of scope objects and then attach that to your activity fragment. In the scope level, then we can do even better. We can really automate completely the injection of dependencies inside your scope. And then all of this is easy to use as you can really inject your view model. The view model creates all in scope directly on the fly and then inject all the dependencies inside the scope. Let's talk about the new module configuration structure that lets you really gather modules and lazy modules together. The idea is to let you start a module configuration. That means something that is representing modules and lazy modules, where you're defining what you want inside a set of modules and set of lazy modules that are ready to run on your application and can be verified like any regular modules in Koin. We will begin to deploy some annotations to avoid you to declare complex data to make verification on your configuration. Next is about Compose. Compose 1.8 is really supported in Koin and then all the lifecycle 2.9 upgraded also. We clearly improve all the stability and the performance in the API. You don't need any more to set up Koin with a special context with Compose. Everything is ready for you. You have now a special Koin application preview that allow you to make some preview with your composable and allow you to have multiple rendering with multiple annotation preview on your functions. And also we have two new candidates for view model injection, one in the navigation about shared view model and another one in the Android side to inject a view model in your compose against your activity and be sure your host is an activity. Now let's talk about Ktor 3.x support. Koin is really embracing the new major version of Ktor and is updating to Ktor 3.1.3. You can now declare modules on the fly tied to Ktor modules, and then you can use Koin module to declare a module inside your Ktor module. You have also request scope, that is a scope archetype for Ktor to really work at the request level of your application and then inject application call, inject what you want inside your request and benefit from all of that. Let's talk about mobile SDK development with Koin. Already you got a strong support of DI and let you develop SDK mobile with Koin because you can use isolated context with Koin and Compose. Then you can really entirely isolate in memory your SDK and your UI flow. Beside of that, you may have some Android library conflict due to Gradle dependencies. We have solved that with what we call Koin Embedded. Koin Embedded is a project of scripts. You can make your own version of Koin relocated to the prefix you want, and then you can build your own version of Koin embedded in your own SDK and then don't have any more conflicts with people that are using your SDK. Lastly, then now you are ready to upgrade for Koin 4.1. We have checked all the agreeability support. You have documentation online to let you check what is deprecated, what is new, or what is going to be breaking. We have new deprecation strategy to let you benefit from the best in terms of API and be warned about something that won't work in application or need to be changed. Koin Annotations 2.0 updates will follow to align on Koin 4.1. Everything is online on the Koin website. Then check out insertcoin.io. We need your feedback. You can reach the community on those channels, on Slack, on Twitter, on GitHub. And if you want to take a look at what we are doing at Kotzilla, like the Koin IntelliJ plugin for Intelligent Android Studio and all the platforms we are doing, then go online at kotzilla.io. See you soon for the next video and deep dive into Koin 4.1. Salut!